If you are still charging $250 for a drone flight, you are a dead man walking. In 2016, having a drone was a business. In 2026, it is a commodity. If your only value is being good with the sticks, you are competing with every teenager with a DJI Mini. The industry has changed, but your price list has not. Today, I'm showing you the 2026 revenue hierarchy. This is the exact map I used to pivot Aguia Studio from a hobbyist shop into a surgical B2B machine. At the bottom of the pyramid is the flight. This is where 90% of pilots live. You sell drone shots. You sell cool angles. You are a technician. The problem? Technicians are replaceable. If a client can't find someone $50 cheaper, they will. This is a race to the bottom, and you are currently winning a race you do not want to be in. If you stay here, you will be out of business by December. One step up is the specialist. These are the guys who understand editing, storytelling, or basic mapping. Don't get me wrong, the pay is better, but you are still trading your hours for dollars. If you do not fly, you do not get paid. This is a better job, but it's not a business yet. To build an empire, you have to move to the top of the hierarchy. You have to stop selling flights and start selling outcomes. This is where the real money lives. This is where Aguia Studio plays. At the top, you are business architect. A mining manager does not care about your 4K footage. He cares about removing a $50,000 safety risk or fixing a $100,000 logistics leak. When you speak the language of risk mitigation and industrial data, the price conversation disappears. I do not pitch cinematography to a defense contractor. I pitch precision-based intelligence. That is how you move from a $250 invoice to a $10,000 contract. You do not need a better drone. You need a better hierarchy. I have spent the last month building the infrastructure for the Drone Pilot Masterclass. I'm teaching the how behind the roadmap. I'm showing you the systems, the GSAs, and the B2B outreach that actually works in 2026. I'm only taking 5 founding members for the February 18th launch. If you want to stop being a technician and start being a CEO, get on the waitlist right now. The link is in the description. Stop playing pilot and start building your empire. I see you on the next one. Bye.